Hey Anthony, how's it going?
Hi Cole, I'm Cheese-tastic. How about you?
I'm a happy camper, thank you. What do you want to do today?
You know, I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool to make our own
Pinball marble game?
Whoa! How did you know I was going to say that?
Anthony, I think you and I have the same imagination.
What am I thinking about right now?
Cheese.
No way! You're 2 for 2!
How about we get to building our pinball marble game?
Wait, should we ask our friends if they want to tag along with us today?
Of course!
Are you ready
to build a pinball marble game together? Let's do it! To build your very own pinball marble game, you'll need some cardboard, tape, glue, a scissors, a clothespin, a couple skinny sticks, and of course, a marble.
The first thing you're going to want to do is to cut out and add some walls to your game board. Like this. Next, we're going to build our launching mechanism using our skinny sticks and our clothespin and a little bit of glue. All you need to do is cut out a hole in the side of one of your walls and then stick the 2 sticks through the game board. And there you have it. Now you can decorate your pinball marble game however you want. Here's what we did for ours. Do you like it?
Wow, Anthony, this looks awesome. Should we test it out?
Yep.
Okay, here it comes.
What?
Oh, no way! 10 points on our first try.
I love this so much. Should we each launch 3 marbles and see who gets the highest score?
Let's do it. Okay, I'll go first.
5.
5. 5.
Another 5.
And 10.
No way!
What do those add up to, Anthony?
5 plus 5 plus 10 equals 20.
Good job using your math skills, Anthony.
Thanks. Okay, my turn. Woohoo! 10 points.
Oh, big score.
5 points. We'll take it.
Nice shot, Anthony.
Come on, come on. Ah, rats. You win, Cole, because 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 16, and you had 20 points. Good game.
Great game, Anthony. That was super duper fun. Give me a paw bump. How about we play a couple more games and then we can go eat some cheese?
This has been the best day ever.
Thank you all so much for watching this week's episode of Anthony's Adventures.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this video. We've got tons of other super fun Anthony's Adventures episodes on there, so check them out, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.